Hey everybody, it's Kevin Ryan, your Math 130 instructor. Since we're going to all online, I wanted to make this video to help with the transition into the online environment. I've set up your class. I'm here at lbcc.edu, and you are going to be using Canvas. Hopefully you've had some experience. If not, it's very easy to use. You just go here and log in with your regular credentials. And I will show you your course. Now your shell is right here, Math 130 Intermediate Algebra. It should be the only math one that you see. And here I've set up a bunch of modules for you. So here's sort of an introduction. By the way, to get back to this screen, you just go click on the word module here and that'll take you to it. The welcome is just me, a terrible picture of me. Here's an email address that you already know. And don't worry, everything's still done in MyOpenMath. Your syllabus is here, your e-text and everything's here. It's also in MyOpenMath, but I just wanted to re-put it here. So for this upcoming week, which is Monday, I have a link to MyOpenMath, and I'll click on it here in just a second. But this week you are expected to watch the videos on factoring and to do the homework in MyOpenMath by the 22nd of March at midnight. And it's just the factoring for that particular section. You're also expected to participate in a discussion board, which I'd like to show you what that looks like. So here's the discussion board. You are expected to participate. This is where all communication is going to be for the most part. Any math questions you have, anything that any concerns or anything like that, please just reserve email just for like specific individual like emergencies and things like that. I'm going to try to minimize the email there. I do want to show you this cool feature, insert a math equation, and this allows you to pop in, exactly what your homework question is so that everybody can see what that looks like. Make sure that you do send your specific homework question, because as you know, everybody gets a different question depending on that. So there's your discussion board. Again, you are expected to participate on that. And then the following week, which is kind of the big deal, you'll see what we have here are the expectations. MyOpenMath and all that. Quiz number 4 is your practice exam for the real exam 4. And here's the big one. Your real exam 4 you are going to do in MyOpenMath on a computer. It will be due Sunday, March 29th at midnight. You'll be given a 2-hour window. I think 100 minutes, actually, for one attempt at this. So take your time with it. Make sure you're in a nice quiet room by yourself when you're doing that exam, and do your very best with it. In addition to that, you are going to be expected to do some homework questions and things like that. So you're going to have to really manage your time as you go through this. Let me go ahead and click on MyOpenMath real quick. Yeah, by the way, you can go to MyOpenMath the same normal way that you always have. Where we just type in myopenmath.com and it'll take you there. After you log in, we are here, and let's get into your class. Here's your Intermediate Algebra, LAC. And everything's just the same, but what I do want to show you is exam 4. So when you go to click on that, it's going to say you get an hour and 40 minutes when you start it. So make sure that you really plan out your time. I think there's 11 questions, something like that, to do that. But make sure you do that. Once again, your quiz 4 you can take as many times as you like. That serves as your practice test. And so here are the videos that you're... Yeah, my wife is reminding me. So there are some videos that I re-put up. I took these down before, but these factoring ones are a little bit different than the way that I'm going to teach the factoring, but I wanted to make sure that you had the resources to do that. The last part, let me go back to to Canvas here, is the announcements are going to be my primary way of communicating information to you as far as if we're coming back to class, when we're coming back to class, what the updates are, and things like that. So please, every time you log into Canvas, make sure that you take a look there and make sure that you're not missing an important announcement. I'm also going to be sending things through email. I will be using the email address that is in Canvas, so if it's different than MyOpenMath or whatever, make sure that you are monitoring that account. That is how I will be communicating with you. I'll see you on the other side, and we'll get through this together. Don't you worry. Take care.